They're still at the very early stages of this inquiry. As you can see, the forensics teams are now on site. In the last hour or so, they have put out these number markings ahead of that tent where we believe the body of 19-year-old Mohammed Farah is still lying where he was shot last night just after 10 o'clock. Interestingly, these number markings ordinarily are used to denote the position of bullets found at the scene. You can see that the nearest one to us is number 30. It gives you an idea of the ferocity of this attack. Happened just before 10 o'clock last night. His uncle has said that he believes his nephew was running down Fishermead Boulevard. He was being chased by a number of men, and he was shot from this corner here. Another youth as well was shot, although he was not killed. He is in hospital at the moment. We don't have any details as to his condition. But another uncle of Mohammed has told me this morning that he was in fear for his life, that he was running scared from a group of youths that he knew here. In fact, his mother had moved him away from this area to Birmingham last year in an attempt to try and break those ties with this group that he was involved with, but it wasn't the case. Mohammed kept coming back to this area. But something happened a few weeks ago which meant that he ultimately went into some kind of hiding with relatives around the country. Eventually it led him here, and clearly the people who were after him knew where he was because it resulted in his death.
His mother, she decided to move from Milton Keyness to Birmingham because of him. She wanted to run away from these people, but she can't. All the time he's coming back to the Milton Keyness, which his friend is. And that's, at last, it happened.